SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, leading the way in prefabricated warehouse solutions in Bangalore. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has emerged as one of the top prefabricated warehouse manufacturers in Bangalore, setting new standards in the industry with their innovative and efficient solutions. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, SCON has established itself as a trusted name in the field of prefabricated construction. Their expertise lies in designing and manufacturing customized warehouse structures that meet the unique needs of businesses across various sectors. At the forefront of prefabricated technology, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a comprehensive range of services, from initial design conceptualization to final installation. Their state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Bangalore are equipped with cutting-edge machinery and staffed by skilled professionals, ensuring the production of high-quality prefabricated components.
Property or a large
This
commercial
advanced
development,
setup
their team
allows
has the
SCON
expertise
to
in
deliver